When you start an internet radio station, or when you need to restyle an existing one, it's often recommended to hide the work-in-progress website using a Coming Soon page. There are hundreds of plugins for this, but for a radio station, they are rarely the optimal solution. In fact, they usually don't let visitors listen to your stream or see crucial information that keeps your fans engaged. With Pro Radio, you can build a fully functional and attractive Coming Soon page in minutes, allowing listeners to play the radio from the page, check what's on air, and keep your brand strong. In this tutorial, we're going to see how to build a Coming Soon page with Pro Radio and Elementor, or how to use one of the pre-built templates. No extra plugins required. Let's start. First, click Pages, Add New. From the right menu, select the template Pro Radio Empty Canvas. Set a clear name like Coming Soon or Under Maintenance. Then publish the empty page. As you can see, it has no menu or footer, which prevents visitors from going elsewhere. Now click Edit with Elementor. Let's add a new container. Set the min height to 100 VH. VH means viewport height, so 100 VH is 100% of the screen height. Now set a background color. As you can see, it fills the screen correctly. For a better result, you can also add a custom background image. Set display size to cover and position to center. With Pro Radio, you can also add a particles animation to make the page feel more alive. There are several options available. Now let's add a logo using the image widget. Once it's in place, in the container options, set the content alignment to center. Next, add a short caption to inform visitors that the site is under maintenance. You can style the text as you prefer, font, color, and size. Now let's add a countdown, which is included with Pro Radio. Pick a date to tell people when to come back. You can style the font and color, set alignment, and enable text labels. Finally, we want to allow users to listen to the music, so we add a simple play button. The page template we're using, Pro Radio Empty Canvas, is not the standard Elementor canvas. Even though it looks empty, it keeps the full player functionality available, so you can place a button on the page and get a fully working radio player. This way, your visitors can enjoy the radio even while the website is under construction. That's crucial because it prevents your stream from losing listeners. To improve the design, let's add a dark overlay to the container and improve the visual hierarchy between the logo and the text. Once ready, publish the page. Now let's preview the result. If you notice the container is not truly full screen, it's because the global layout options are still set to the default width. From the customizer, under Layout and Design, change the maximum width. Now the Coming Soon page is truly full screen. Now it's time to activate the Coming Soon function. Go to Settings, Reading, and choose the Coming Soon page. Just open the drop-down and select the page. Every user who is not logged in as an administrator will be redirected to this page. You can test it by opening the site homepage while logged in. You will see the real homepage. But in an incognito window, you will see the Coming Soon page, and any other link will redirect here. Now let's go back to Elementor. If you don't want to build the page yourself, you can install a Coming Soon template from the Pro Radio Plus template library, like this one. It includes the logo, player, and song title. As you can see, with one click, you can have a polished Coming Soon page ready to use. For these and hundreds more templates, you can check the Pro Radio Plus license. When your site is ready, you can disable the Coming Soon option from Settings, Reading, and your website will be live again. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video on Pro Radio.